Have you been to Malaysia by land trip? Have you been to KL by land trip from Singapore? From here? Have you done it? How long is that?
Singapore Flyer. That's the Esplanade and the stadium for the FL race.
But if you're flying to Singapore,
And we're going down.
about 6 hours. Would you know if it's R&D, the bus?
The bus is early in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. It starts off at 6 o'clock in the morning, so when you get there, it's 1 o'clock.
How many buses? A lot.
So we have a lot of visitors in Singapore that actually completely run all the number of flights.
So even in the evening, there are certain...
Is there immigration there?
In Malaysia.
When you get back, when you get back.
But they don't have very strict.
We just came from there.
I could easily smuggle alcohol back to Singapore.
That's Singapore Flyer. And we're inside. Development. We're gonna build a casino there. And hotels and recreation. And that's Sentosa, farther up. And the container port, which is the world's busiest.
Not the parachute.
And
But the water skiing is around
over there is Indonesia.
30 times 30.
You can see it from here.
Remember, mas mura mag-water ski dito. Mas dati 2,500. It's cheaper water skiing in the Philippines is around 2,500.
That's Debbie. Hi, Debbie. Hi. Pwede ka mag-storya sa YouTube ni. Sa movie. Too late.
What resort is not very expensive?